All right. Look at this. Traverse battery change. $10 mil. Loosen it. Gotta remove the strap bar. Let's remove the negative first. Okay, so you're gonna lift this cover up. This will bring you to like the fuse box on top of the positive cable. Just gotta lift up on this. You're gonna have to loosen, this is what I did. I don't know if there's another way. You're gonna have to loosen this one bolt. I'm gonna skip to it. So I believe it is a 13. It's right on top. It's what holds the positive bracket to the fuse box. Removing this will help give you room to remove the battery. Okay, so I'm pushing the fuse box away from the battery. So on the right side you're going to push to the right, and then on the left side you're going to push to the left. That's going to unhook this fuse box from the battery and help you gain access to removing it. Now I'm using a 13. There's a holder right where I put the ratchet at. Straight down, it's easy to see. Kind of hard to see on video, but it's a 13 millimeter. And you're just going to loosen it up and remove it. And that will help you guide the battery out of the holder. Kind of hard to see on video, but there's a spot where you can pull the holder out, and that's what I did right there. And you're almost to the step of removing the battery.
Excuse me.
Hi.
Hi. I know you're busy working.
Uh-huh.
Can you help me to put the steering fluid? Because my wheel is very dry. It doesn't move.
Okay.
Properly.
Yeah.
I don't even know where to put that spot.
Yeah, I can do it after.
Okay.
Yeah. We got it loose.
Put the fuse box on top of it.
Yeah, you gotta take the cover off. I might need your help though. I'm trying to lift. It's a heavy bass battery.
Good. It's cool.
It's like catchy. I'm trying to lift it up this way.
This can't maneuver anymore.
So close. Let me see.
Yeah, try it with this.
Yeah. It's just so close. There we go. We got it. There we go. Whew. Doesn't help that the battery's like 80 pounds. Awesome. We're in business. Alright, so this is the battery holder. I will say it's a little tough, just because it's of the room. There's not a lot of room to line it up, but you just gotta line the bolt up. Easier said than done. Take your time. They do have a little place cut underneath where you can work with space. You'll see when you do the battery yourself. But just line up the bolt and then tighten it down. That's what I ended up doing. So I'm tightening it down here. Make sure you get it tight to the point where when you try to grab the battery, it doesn't move. If it's loose, it can cause, you know, weird connection problems or stuff like that just from driving. So just make sure that it's seated nicely. Also, I'm putting back the positive terminal, and make sure you put the nut onto the fuse box pretty tight as well. And you're also going to clip the edges of the fuse box back into the battery so it sits in place. All right, let's try. Yeah, let's try. There we go. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, we can do Cash App. Yeah. Almost done. Almost done. Alright, and that is how you change the battery on a second-gen Traverse Chevrolet SUV. I hope this helped anyone out there trying to change the battery. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Break this out. Peace. And that is how you change the battery on a Chevy.
we see. Yeah, I'm just tryna know if you wanna be with me.